fries. So we'll be tasting at the food court, so it'll take a while, but let's get ordering. So here's the receipt. It's about $15 for 2 big Giga fries. So that if you guys want that much, it's gonna be about $16. So yeah guys, let's wait. I'll see you guys when we get the fries. So here's our barbecue fries from potato corn. So let's try some because I've already been having some. Try it. Oh. So good.